Vielha, the capital of the Val d'Aran in Catalonia, Spain, is a picturesque mountain town nestled in the heart of the Pyrenees. Known for its alpine charm, stunning landscapes, and cultural richness, it serves as both a year-round destination and the gateway to Baquera, one of Spain's premier ski resorts. The town sits at the confluence of the Garonne and Nere rivers, surrounded by snow-capped peaks in winter and lush green valleys in summer. Its traditional stone houses with wooden balconies and slate roofs create a postcard-perfect setting that reflects Pyrenean architecture. Strolling through Vielha's narrow streets, visitors can explore charming squares, artisan shops, and local cafes offering hearty mountain cuisine. A major highlight is the Church of Saint-Michel, a 12th century Romanesque gem that houses the Christ de Mijaran, a famous Gothic sculpture. For those interested in the region's culture and heritage, the Museu d'Era Val d'Aran showcases local traditions, history, and the unique Aranese language, a mix of Gascon, Occitan, and Catalan influences. Outdoor enthusiasts will find Vielha an ideal base for adventure. In winter, skiing and snowboarding dominate the scene, with Baquera just 14 kilometers away. During summer, the surrounding mountains offer opportunities for hiking, cycling, and river sports amid breathtaking natural beauty. The nearby Aigües Tortes y Estany de Sant Maurici National Park is perfect for nature lovers seeking pristine lakes and high-altitude trails. Gastronomy is another reason to visit. Vielha is famous for oca aranesa, a local goose dish, trinxat, and hearty stews, often paired with mountain cheeses and local wines. Whether you come for the snow, the trails, or the charm of a Pyrenean village steeped in culture, Vielha promises an authentic and unforgettable experience at the heart of the mountains.